Howdy guys, welcome to another Keep It Reet YouTube episode and a Reet Rundown. Today we've got the team Hartless Knights with the JZX90 Cresta owned by Rowan and the R33 Coupe owned by Bally. Now these are two spicy cars and a spicy team, and I think you're gonna like. Alright, so first we'll introduce you to our two team members of Hartless Knights. Come over here, boys!
Hey, bro.
What the hell is Team Hartless Knights? And why is it spelled wrong?
Just a play on words, sort of that Japanese weird translation-y thing that doesn't quite work all the time.
Just a bit of fun, really, you know.
So, I forgot to even introduce properly, but this is Rowan, and that is his car, and that is Bally, and this is his car. This is too hard.
Yeah.
This is our third or fourth Reet Rundown, and it's only been singular people, so it's very difficult now. I've got two. I'm figuring it out. So, how did you guys meet? When did you guys start dating?
Through Vic Drift, early days, you know, like on the track, and then just into cars, I guess, into the same kind of cars.
Same styling.
Same styles, yeah.
Both been into drift similar amount of time?
Yes.
How long?
About 2007, 2008.
Yeah, probably.
OG.
Yeah.
You like the Jap-inspired things?
Yeah.
Genuine, everything?
Everything genuine, wheels, kits.
Seats.
Seats, yeah.
I don't know, it's like the old 90s sort of styling. It's all dated now, but I don't know, we still think it looks cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I like that you've stuck to the reverse driver's side.
Yeah.
Yeah, same style.
Take note. Alright, well that's enough about both of you. We're going to separate you now forever.
No.
And we'll start with Rowan's JZX90 Cresta. So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, majority of the running gear in this was from that BC90 that I had when we did a few Japan trips. Decided to bring
It's come on a boat all the way
Yeah,
here.
it came on the boat. The car was...
Is that like a COVID thing or like before COVID?
I was before I brought it over, and I was going to part it out, and I'm like, oh, it's got too much good stuff in it. So
It all works.
Bally actually had this shell sitting in his backyard, and we did a trade-off with some wheels or something random like that, and yeah, just dropped it all into the shell, and yeah.
Alright, next car. No, okay. So what have we got under the bonnet here?
Just a pretty stockish 1J, nothing too crazy. 2 JZ injectors, some RB HKS Turbo. Still running like 98, makes like 266 kilowatts or something, so not really a powerhouse, but it's enough to keep it reliable, I guess.
Yeah, it is like a solid car you would see in Japan, like an Ebisu car that just goes and goes.
Yeah, and that was sort of the plan behind the build, just to make it reliable and just keep turning lap after lap.
It's definitely not a car that you often see in Australia and drifted. I mean, it's probably body parts are probably painful to get and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But everything else is all just
Yeah, your
JZX90,
mechanical stuff is JZX90 and 100 is very similar. But like, bumpers and doors and guards are all... Headlights, Chinas.
That's right. As long as there's Chinas, you're good.
Got BC coilovers. Wheels are VSKFs and just some SSRs. It's got black arts knuckles, serial 9 lower control arms, and just some caster arms. And that's about it in the steering.
Nice.
Nothing too crazy.
Simple yet effective.
Yes.
Beautiful. And what do you plan on doing? Like, what's your aspirations?
Probably a bit more comp driving this year, like Battle Royale, like learning heaps already. I haven't really done any comps, so
you jumped in the first round, didn't you? Was that one of your first comps, or you might have done some back in the day? But
no, I didn't do any back in the day. Lots to learn from there, I guess. So, yeah.
It's the only way to do it, jump in the deep end.
Yeah, that's it. Sort of bump up my driving a little bit more and drive with better people, I guess. Sort of helps that.
Why point at me when you say better people?
Well, you're a better driver. Can learn a lot.
So what body kit are we repping on here?
BN Sports kit with a Vertex rear lip. S13, I think they're Bomex mirrors. They don't fit great, but they
That's
look
pretty good to
alright.
me. I thought they were factory.
Some random Jap bonnet, same as a chaser, so it works. That's about it.
So everyone loves the 1J sound. It sounds spicy. What exhaust have you got? And exhaust manifold, should say too.
So the exhaust manifold is just some ghetto Y-pipe thing. Do you know the like standard twins are like those 3 bolts? It just goes up
sure, yeah.
and it just goes to that, and then it's just got a wastegate coming off that into a 3-inch exhaust. Yeah.
Yeah, no mufflers though.
No mufflers.
Yeah,
no.
you have to. Straight pipe life.
Yeah.
All right, well that's enough about you. Get out of here. Get out of here. Bally, you're up, son. All right, so tell us a bit about your car. What's going on here? R33 Coupe.
Series 1.5 Type M. Got an M Spec Kit, built 2530, T67, a twin plate, black arts knuckles, all adjustable arms, Shockwork Coilovers, and some Brixers and an Arty. Pretty basic setup.
Nice.
But works well.
Basically, you've sort of both kept to similar sort of standard, like, you know, keep it simple.
Yeah.
What sort of power does it push?
340 at 16 PSI.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, has it been reliable so far, the 2530?
It's been perp. At the start, had an oiling issue, a typical RB thing. Put an 8 litre sump in it, never put 8 litres of oil in it because it just pushes it back up.
Yeah,
so after that, it's been perfect, no drama.
How much boost did you say?
A 16 PSI.
What ECU's running it?
Adaptronic. Yeah, and the car's been already wired, so there's no factory lumen there. It's good, yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
An exhaust manifold and exhaust?
Just a stainless like manifold, nothing special. And then straight all the way through to some blast pipes at the back.
Very nice.
Which are actually quite bent after hitting the wall last week. Yeah.
Run us through exactly what kit and then wheels, I guess.
We've got a carbon fibre bonnet, which has been painted now, and a bit bent because actually I flew up one day. M Sports kit all the way around with the GDR pods at the back, and then work for Zach wheels front and back. Oh, it's got the GDR wide body too, actually, all the way up. That's about it.
All right, how'd you get into drifting?
Always loved it as a kid, and then I had a R31 many years ago, about 2007. And then I bought a Midnight Purple, a Type X, and I entered a Vic Drift event. Funny you say, like the first corner I went out, I thought I was coming in so hard, I almost stopped halfway around the corner. And then you learn and you progress. And then over the years, just always tried to stay into it.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
And I guess now it's time to show us what these beasts can do. But before we go out, do you want to thank any sponsors?
Really, yeah, well, thank you, InterSign, for doing all the signage.
Yeah, they've been a big help.
Yeah.
It's always last minute.
Yeah.
They always,
Always get it done for us, all the sticker work, all the liveries, always helping us out.
Even repairs when we smash a guard or a door or something,
Yeah.
they're always just printing up that section or whatever. But yeah, big help from those guys.
And used a booth, whatever else, to always paint up the cars and that, so yeah.
Thank friends and family for always putting up with me being in the garage and
Oh yeah.
yeah.
The mum and...
Thank my wife.
Thanks, Jess. Thanks, Jess.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks heaps, you know. I just came from a holiday straight to here, you know, and I left the wife and daughter at home.
Yeah.
Drift life, number one priority.
The drifting, number one.
All right, boys, well, thanks for giving us a rundown. Get out there. I want to see some door-on-door action.
That's it.
Because you have to.
Easy.
See you, boys.
Have a good night, go.
Every city in my tribe. Look behind. Booty dominate the world. Peaches, yeah. All my ladies know they can't take the shine, they can't take the glow. Tell these boys that it's mine. Pussy sitting on the throne. Never switch on your chick, that's some bitch code. Catch a trick, fry 'em up in that Crisco. Fuck the grid, I'ma dip to a flip phone. On the splits, every lick is a shitload. Blow a bit, blow a kiss, I'm a bitch mode. Got some ice on my neck, so my tits cold. Calling all the pretty girls in your zip code.
Our day is done. How did you go, boys? Any breakages?
Yeah.
You had some breakage?
Yeah. I broke. Clutch master, probably 4 laps in. Had to drive. And half an hour, get another one, come back, bleed it all up, and then from there it was alright. But yeah.
It's never what you want. No. Just like all ready to go. No deal.
No deal.
Go fix it. How about you? Not too bad?
Not too bad. So first time out, I was behind Luke Foley, and I've gone to initiate. He's gone full noise. He's fucked up. I've gone full noise. I've gone around him. He's gone to reinitiate, put his ass into my face. Right. Lost on the LCA. But other than that, good.
So I don't know if this vlog's going out before or after we did Aaron in the IS200. But Luke Foley did the same thing to him. So he's causing damage left, right and centre. He's a menace. I think this is his first time to keep it real. He's copping it.
Yeah.
But nah, you're doing some good laps. I think I followed you guys a couple of times. No. And hopefully did Mungie get some good shots. Yeah, good work, Mungie. Chasing you down and 350Z. Them spicy shots. Smack a like for Mungie because you have.
He killed it, Mungie. Wow.
Not Adam.
And you, bro.
Killed it. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks for all that. And yeah, like it, subscribe for the boys, Team Hartless.
Like on Insta.
Yeah, like on Instagram. And yeah, we'll throw in the description of both their cars.
Yeah, cheers.
Spec lists and chat. Yeah,
Sweet.
boys.
Cheers, cheers.
All right. So yeah, nice, very nice. Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah,
Good.
Yeah, nice. Yes. So yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yeah.